Salam guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make delicious chicken macaroni. Here we have half cup all one chicken breast, 1 cabbage to capsicum green chilies, salt black pepper chili flakes Chinese salt, and macaronis. First of all, boil the macaronis. Now our macaronis are ready. Let's make the sauce. Pour the all in the pot and heat it. Now add ginger garlic paste in it and fry for a few minutes. After this, add chicken in it. Fry the capsicum with chicken for a few seconds and remove it. Fry them well until the water of chicken soaks. Add all spices. Add some water and cook the chicken with all spices. Add soy sauce. Add chili sauce. Now add fried capsicum and cook for 5 minutes. Add cabbage in it and cook for 5 more minutes. Add green chilies. Now add macaronis in it. Mix them well. Delicious chicken macaronis are ready. Let's dish out. This is the final look of chicken macaronies. Must try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.